Hello everyone, just wanted to make a quick video to let everybody know that international service is back and available on my website. It's something that is requested of me a lot, and I offered it up until January of this year, but I had to stop it until I could find something that was easier for me to use. The way that I was doing it was I was filling out all this old paperwork, and it was an absolute nightmare. But now, with the United States Postal Service and Click and Ship website, I am able to streamline the entire process and make it much easier. To give you a quick idea on costs, for Canada, it is $19 flat rate first class service. And for everybody else, it is $24.99 flat rate first class service. And with that, you can expect your package to take anywhere from 2 to 6 weeks to arrive to you. I say that because I've had packages take up to 6 weeks, and it's only been for one country that I've ever experienced that so far, and that is Italy. I don't know why it takes so long. I've shipped 3 packages to Italy over the past 6 months, and every one of them took about 6 weeks to get there. A big part of the problem, I believe, is due to customs. And that brings on another change. Anybody that does an international purchase from here on forward, because this is a new requirement that I have to fulfill, a copy of your invoice of purchase is put inside of your box. And that is something, again, that is required. So I have no control over that. So be prepared to pay import fees, duties, taxes, whatever your country requires when you do make purchases from me. There's no way around it. Prior to January, when I was shipping packages, I never included a shipping label, and I almost feel like that might have been why some of it was kind of a long delay, like Italy for the 6 weeks. But I would like to think that that won't take that long anymore, but I still want to say it's going to take that long, just in case. I don't want anybody to be surprised. I do also offer priority services, but I can't give you a specific price on what those would be, as those are calculated at shipping based upon the weight of your order. But with any of the priority services, it shouldn't take no more than a week to receive it, as long as you're willing to pay whatever the fee they calculate is. My website is now linked directly to the United States Postal Service, so the fee that you get charged is the actual fee that you are paying. Also, just want to make a quick note, because I get this a lot. People will ask if I have something international shipping available, for example, and what the costs are, and then they immediately complain about the price. Please bear with me. I am not a huge company. I do not get these big discount rates that these large companies are able to get, and I have no control over those shipping fees. For me to be able to start getting into where I can get some of those decent international rates, I need to ship a minimum of 300 packages per month to qualify for some of those services. And I'm lucky if I ship 50 packages a month. So I'm nowhere near the amount of orders that would be needed for me to qualify for any of those discount rates. So I'm sorry, this is the best I can do. But if I ever get to a point where I get a lot of orders and I can start qualifying for these discount rates, I guarantee you that I will rush out to try and get those services and try and give you those discounts as quickly as possible. If you have any problems or any questions and don't see your country available when you're trying to check out, feel free to email me and I will double check, add it to the list, or whatever I have to do to make it available. But from what I can see right now, I don't think there is any country that is not on my list of availability for shipping. So I look forward to filling your orders very soon. And to give you a sneak peek at what my next video is going to be about, you're not going to believe how much I just picked this thing up for.